Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where learning English actually feels fun. Today we're diving into something that you've definitely seen online, probably used once or twice, and maybe even misunderstood a few times. Abbreviations. Yep, those short little letter combos that people throw around in texts, comments, and DMs like it's a secret language. Don't worry though, by the end of this video, you'll understand every single one of them like a pro. So grab your phone, imagine your best friend texting you, and let's learn the top 10 English abbreviations that everyone should know. Let's start with the first one. RN stands for right now. It's one of the most common abbreviations you'll see in messages or on social media. It's short, it's casual, and it makes you sound like a fluent texter. Imagine your friend asks, "What are you doing?" Instead of typing a full sentence, you just reply, "Watching Netflix RN." Quick, simple, and natural. You're basically saying, "I'm watching Netflix at this very moment." Here's another one. Someone texts you, "Hey, can we talk?" And you reply, "Sorry, can't talk RN, I'm at work." You've just saved yourself time, and you sound super natural. The cool thing about RN is that it adds a sense of immediacy. It's not about tomorrow or later. It's about what's happening this very second. Just remember, RN is for casual conversations. Don't drop it in an email to your boss like, "I can't submit the report RN." That might not go well. Stick to messages, chats, and captions, and you're good to go. Okay, moving on to number 2. BFF. BFF means best friends forever. You've probably seen this all over social media captions and friendship bracelets. It's a sweet abbreviation that shows your love for that one person who's always got your back. If you post a picture with your closest friend, you might write, "Chilling with my BFF today." Or if your friend surprises you with coffee, you can say, "You're my BFF for life." It's fun, it's affectionate, and it never goes out of style. People have been using BFF for years to show friendship and loyalty. And you can even use it in a funny way like, "My cat just ignored me for the 10th time, but she's still my BFF." BFF adds personality and warmth to your messages. And honestly, it's one of those abbreviations that will probably never disappear from English. All right, let's move to number 3. IDK. IDK stands for I don't know. Super simple, but super common. Everyone uses it from teenagers to adults. You'll see it everywhere. Texts, comments, even memes. Picture this. Your friend asks, "Where should we eat?" And you reply, "IDK, you pick." It's not rude, it's just casual. It means you're open to ideas. Here's another one. Someone says, "Why is the internet so slow?" And you reply, "IDK, maybe the Wi-Fi needs a nap." You can make it funny and natural. People sometimes use IDK multiple times to sound extra confused. Like, "IDK, man, IDK." That usually means you really don't know and maybe don't want to think about it either. So next time you don't have the answer, don't stress. Just type IDK. It's quick, casual, and totally normal in everyday English. Okay, number 4. LOL. LOL means laugh out loud. It's one of the oldest and most iconic abbreviations on the internet. It started way back in the early days of chat rooms and emails, but it's still going strong today. People use LOL to show they're laughing or finding something funny. But here's the twist. It doesn't always mean you're actually laughing. Sometimes LOL just softens your message or keeps the mood friendly. For example, if someone says, "I just tripped on my own shoes," you might reply, "LOL, classic you." You're not necessarily rolling on the floor laughing, but you're showing amusement. Or you can use it to make something sound less serious. Like, "I think I just failed my math test, LOL." That LOL at the end makes it sound a bit lighter, even if you're actually crying inside. Some people even type LOL in lowercase just to sound chill. So LOL feels louder, more energetic, while LOL is more subtle and casual. And of course, You've probably seen variations like LMAO or ROFL. We'll save those for another video, but for now, remember that LOL is your go-to for keeping things friendly and funny online. Now on to number 5. BTW. BTW stands for by the way. This one's super useful when you want to change the topic or add extra information without sounding too abrupt. For example, you're chatting with a friend and say, BTW, did you see that new movie? Or, BTW, your outfit looks great today. It's like a smooth conversational bridge. It helps you add something new while keeping the tone natural. In texts or casual conversations, BTW can even sound a bit dramatic if you use it creatively. Like, BTW, you totally forgot my birthday. Friendly, but with a little playful sting. You can use BTW anywhere, in chats, in comments, even when speaking out loud. Some people actually say BTW jokingly in real life, which is the spoken version of BTW. All right. Next up is number 6. OMG. OMG means oh my God. It's one of the most expressive and emotional abbreviations out there. People use it when they're shocked, excited, or even just pretending to be. You might see a text like, OMG, guess what happened? Or, OMG, I can't believe this. It's dramatic, it's fun, and it adds instant emotion to whatever you're saying. And here's a fun detail. Some people use variations like OMFG or OMGGG with extra G's when they're really trying to express surprise or excitement. But OMG on its own is the classic version. Polite, simple, and understood everywhere. You can also use it humorously. Like, OMG, I just spilled coffee on my white shirt again. It shows you're surprised, but also kind of laughing at yourself. OMG works perfectly in both positive and negative situations. OMG, this cake is amazing. Or OMG, I missed the bus. Same abbreviation, totally different feelings. And it's one of the few that's made its way into spoken English, too. You'll actually hear people say OMG in real life, especially when they're trying to sound dramatic or funny. Okay, let's keep it going with number 7. TTYL. TYL stands for talk to you later. It's a friendly way to say goodbye in chats or messages. If you're heading out, ending a call, or wrapping up a conversation, you can say, gotta go, TTYL. It's casual and polite. For example, I'm leaving for dinner now, TTYL. Or, thanks for the help, TTYL. It's not as formal as goodbye or see you later, but it keeps things light and friendly. You can even use it at the end of a funny chat to sound chill. All right? Moving on to number 8, WTH. WTH stands for what the heck. It's basically a polite version of another expression you might already know but shouldn't say on camera. It shows surprise, disbelief, or frustration, but in a safe for work way. For example, WTH happened to my phone, or WTH is this weather? It adds emotion without sounding rude. It's one of those abbreviations that helps you express yourself when something weird or unexpected happens. Like, WTH, my cat just turned off the TV. Okay, number 9, BRB. BRB stands for be right back. You'll see it a lot in chat rooms, gaming, or texting when someone needs to step away for a few minutes. If you're chatting and need to grab a snack, you just say, Barbie. It means you'll return soon. Example, I'm getting coffee, BRB, or phone call, BRB. It's quick, clear, and polite. You're letting the other person know you're stepping away, but not leaving for good. And finally, number 10, TBH. TBH stands for to be honest. It's used when you want to be sincere or share your real opinion. For example, TBH, I didn't like that movie. Or TBH, you're one of the nicest people I've met. It can be serious, sweet, or funny, depending on the tone. Sometimes people use it to start an honest confession, like TBH, I still don't understand math, or TBH, I only joined this chat for the memes. TBH has become one of the most common abbreviations in English because it makes messages sound real and relatable. All right, that's all 10 abbreviations. Let's do a quick recap so you don't forget them. RN means right now. BFF means best friends forever. IDK means I don't know. LOL means laugh out loud. BTW means by the way. OMG means oh my god. TTYL means talk to you later. WTH means what the heck. BRB means be right back. And TBH means to be honest. These are 10 abbreviations you'll see everywhere: texts, chats, posts, and even spoken English. Start using them naturally, and you'll sound like a native speaker in no time. If you enjoyed this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more fun English lessons, and share this video with your BFFs. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and TTYL, my friends. Talk to you later.